Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the difference between installing apps on OPPO Watch X2 and Huawei Fit 4. So I have both of these watches right here, but we're going to focus on the apps. So the applications here, let me adjust the brightness. So the applications here, the OPPO application was really easy to install. When I just opened the watch for the first time, the notification pop up on my phone that the OPPO device is nearby. Do I want to install the application? And I just clicked yes. The Huawei Health was really tricky because I couldn't find it in the Play Store. When I search for Huawei Health, as you can see, there is nothing like this in here. So I'll go to a Google, type in the Huawei Health. Here is the Huawei Health application. Can I change the language in here? No, I can't. So this is install and install via browser, and that's how I got the application. It was really tricky. On my Huawei, there was a QR code, but I couldn't scan it because the QR code is able to scan inside the application. So that's the difference between these two applications and the setup, because the OPPO, when I wanted to do something on it, then there was just a setup here. And on my phone, I could have clicked next, select all whatever I want. And the OPPO had something like a tour guide, how to use every button. And now I know what to do. The Huawei didn't have it. Yeah, so I need to manually learn everything. And there wasn't quite any setup on Huawei. It just asked me if I want to receive any notifications that I couldn't do because my phone didn't let me enable the notification from this Huawei Health app. It was because it didn't trust it. Yeah, because I installed it from a browser, not from a Google Play Store. The app is available in iOS, the App Store. But yeah, I don't have iOS, I don't have iPhone, I have Android, so it's a really downside. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.